Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to do the next question of agriculture optional answer writing practice. And today's question is, what is the difference between contour bunding, and graded bunding? So, contour bunding और ग्रेडेड बंडिंग के डिफरेंस के बारे में पूछा गया है आज हमें। और आई थिंक इन दोनों को मैंने बहुत अच्छे से ही समझाया हुआ है अपने एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल के कोर्स में। अगर आप मेरे एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल व्हेन यू लुक इनटू माय एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल कोर्स, जो मेरा एग्रीकल्चर ऑप्शनल के कोर्स उसमें दो प्लेलिस्ट्स हैं। पेपर वन एंड पेपर टू करके दोनों प्लेलिस्ट्स हैं। देयर आर टू प्लेलिस्ट्स and I have described everything in detail, and if you have been seeing those videos, you will be easily able to answer this question, that is contour bunding and graded bunding. So first of all, you should know what is bunding. Bunding is nothing but it is a constructed, it is a retaining wall, construction of retaining wall. जो रिटेनिंग वॉल होती है उसका कंसर्न करना along the boundary of agriculture fields। जैसे मान के चलो एग्रीकल्चर का फील्ड है, इसके बाउंड्री के जो इसकी बाउंड्री है उस पे along the boundary of agriculture fields when we construct a retaining wall, that is a bunding, it is called bunding. And bunding has major purposes of retaining moisture, retaining water, retaining moisture and reducing erosion, soil erosion. So this is bunding. तो ये सबको समझ में आएगा what bunding is. And there are two types of bunding mainly. Here we are discussing the two types of bunding: contour bending and graded bending. And these types of question, as we have discussing here as difference, बट ऐसे क्वेश्चन जरूरी नहीं कि डिफरेंस में, कभी कभी वो दोनों पे शॉर्ट नोट्स भी लिखने दे सकते हैं, वो कभी कभी दोनों पे सिंपली लिख देंगे डिस्कस अबाउट द फ्लोइंग कंटूर बंडिंग एंड ग्रेडेड बंडिंग। तो अगर आपको डिफरेंस पता है तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चन। तो आज हम लोग देखते हैं कैसे अप्रोच करेंगे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को। सबसे पहले हमें समझना होगा कंटूर बंडिंग होता क्या है। व्हाट इज कंटूर बंडिंग? It is constructed across the contour lines. So first of all, you should be knowing, you should be understanding that what is a contour, what is a terrace. Contour is also called, I hope you have heard about contour farming or terrace farming or terrace farming. Let me hear these things. तो पहले आपको समझना होगा कंटूर फार्मिंग या फिर टेरेस फार्मिंग क्या होती है। सपोज दिस इज ए फील्ड। तो टेरेस फार्मिंग होती है वो क्योंकि स्लोप्स को जब हम, जैसे कोई स्लोप है उसको अगर हम इक्वल करके, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे क्या हुआ इस पे इक्वली, if we cut down the slopes into terraces and do the farming there, then it is called terraces farming. This is terrace farming done along the slopes. So what is the benefits of terrace farming? Because it reduces erosion. If there will be slope like this, the there will be high water velocity and there will be high erosion, but due to terracing we will be able to do good agriculture and there will be less erosion. So when we do what is contour bunding? The bunding when it is constructed along contour lines. So along these lines, if it is constructed along these contour lines, these lines where the terrace is coming, so when these are constructed along the contour lines, then it is called contour bunding. They are constructed with permissible deviation from the contour. Permissible deviation. The deviation should be not so much more. It should be a permissible deviation, a normal deviation from the contour, that is from the slope. So this is what contour bending is. और mainly जो हम contour bending करते हैं, it is done into to retain water, to retain the surface run of water, to retain this in the field, so that it is retained here in the field and we can do the farming. Now second one is graded bunding. So when the grade is provided along the bund for safe disposal of runoff water. So First, you see, in contour bending we are retaining, but here we are not retaining, but we are having safe disposal when the runoff is high. So we need to have a safe disposal of runoff water so that erosion is controlled. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरी तरह से बह रहा है और erode कर रहा है. There is safe disposal over the area with two consecutive bunds, and we usually use two consecutive bunds, and the space between, we keep some space between the bunds so that the water flows nicely with less erosion. The graded bunds commonly used in India are comparable to narrow based terraces. They are comparable to narrow based terraces, the terraces with narrow base. Their base is narrow. This base is narrow. They are used for safe disposal of excess runoff from high rainfalls. Excess runoff rainfall. तो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट्स यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट, जैसे कि आप समझ पा रहे हो कॉन्टूर बंडिंग में क्या है, रिटेन कर रहे हैं. तो ऑब्वियसली जो वाटर की रेनफॉल होगी या फिर दैट विल बी लोअर एज कंपेयर टू ग्रेडेड बंडिंग, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे सेफ डिस्पोजल कर रहे हैं. दैट इज रिटेन करने का जरूरत नहीं है. हाइयर वहां पे रेनफॉल, व्हेन देयर इज रेनफॉल हाइयर, so we cannot retain every part of the rainfall when there is higher. So we need to save dispose it. Excess water, the excess water due to high rainfall should be safely disposed. That is what we do in graded bunding. अधिक बारिश हो रही है तो उसको डिस्पोज करना है, उसे बहा देना है. और रिटेन कर रहे हैं तो मतलब रेनफॉल का में एक डिफरेंस आप यही से पकड़ सकते हैं. दो डिफरेंसेस आपने यही से पकड़ ली. रिटेन वाटर करना है एक में, सेफ डिस्पोजल करना है. तो आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट कंटूर बंडिंग इज, व्हाट ग्रेडेड बंडिंग इज. आई होप आप सबको इससे ये चीज समझ में आ गई होगी. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द डिफरेंस कॉन्टूर बंडिंग एंड ग्रेडेड बंडिंग. जैसे कि मैंने अभी वी हैव डिस्कस जस्ट बिफोर राइट नाउ, जैसे कि अभी तुरंत डिस्कस किया था हमने कि कंटूर बंडिंग is happening in the areas with low rainfall, that is less than 600 mm, that is less than 60 centimeter. Or graded bunding used in area having annual rainfall greater than 700 mm, that is higher than 70 centimeter. क्योंकि बारिश अधिक होगी तो हम सबको सारे पानी को तो रिटेन कर नहीं सकते हैं, एक्सेस वाटर हो जाएगी. तो उसे हम लोग सेफली डिस्पोज करना है ताकि इरोजन भी कम हो और वाटर डिस्पोज भी हो जाए. इन कंटूर बंडिंग एज द रेनफॉल इज लो तो वी नीड टू रिटेन दिस वाटर. तो फर्स्ट डिफरेंस आई थिंक यू आर इजिली एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इट इज सुटेबल फॉर परमिएबल सॉइल्स such as alluvial, red, laterite and shallow and medium black soil. Permeable क्यों? क्योंकि हमें रिटेन करना है वाटर को. तो अगर सॉइल परमिएबल नहीं होगी, अच्छे से वाटर पेनिट्रेट नहीं कर पाएगा, तो रिटेन कैसे होगा? सारी पानी तो ऊपर ग्राउंड के ऊपर ही रह जाएगी. एवरी द वाटर विल बी ओवर द सरफेस. सो गुड परमिएबल सॉइल्स allow retention of water. They will help retain, the water will penetrate into the pores of the soil and it will be retained there. While as graded bunding is good for impenetrable soil, those soils where the water doesn't penetrate well, doesn't retain well, तो पेनिट्रेट ही नहीं कर पाएगा किसी, तो पोर्स में कैसे स्टोर होगा, रिटेन नहीं कर पाएगा. तो वहां पे वाटर, एक्सेस वाटर सरफेस पे, देयर विल बी एक्सेस वाटर इन द सरफेस इफ द वाटर डजंट पेनिट्रेट एंड goes toward the pores and retains itself in the soil. So those excess water needs to be disposed of so that they are safely disposed and the soil erosion is also low. I hope you understand this point also. Secondly, it is commonly used in farming land up to 6% slope. So here the slope is up to 6%, whereas it is not appropriate on land less than 2% slope and greater than 8% slopes. So it is good for slopes up to 2 to 8%, and here up to 6%. Contour bunding is easily found in areas of Maharashtra where black soils are found, medium black soils I discussed here, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. In these regions, contour bunding are done, and graded bunding is done in hilly areas of Dehradun. देहरादून में आप ग्रेडेड बंडिंग देखेंगे और कंटूर बंडिंग तो काफी अलग देखेंगे, because there is high rainfall in these hilly areas and the soil is not so rocky soil, so it is impenetrable soil, so the water doesn't penetrate well, so we will see graded bending there. So these were some differences. Moving to the differences also, और भी कुछ differences उसकी बात करेंगे हम लोग. Contour bending aids in capture and retention, aids in capture and retention of rainfall became before it becomes runoff. So here we need to retain the case. Suppose this is a field contour. What is here we have made a bund. So the water will not to flow to the lower levels. It will be stored here and then retained here, and the pores of the soil will retain it. because it is good in well penetrable soil. यहाँ पे रन ऑफ क्या हुआ है, graded bunding creates obstacles across the path to retain water flowing through the watershed, thus help to control erosion. And here suppose this is a slope, lower slope, not higher slope, and there is water is on the surface and it needs to flow. It creates obstacles on the path so that its velocity is reduced, and although it is safely disposed with low velocity, so that it doesn't do high soil erosion. So low velocity से उसे dispose करना है, तो paths पे obstacles हम लोग provide करते हैं graded bunding में, so that the soil erosion is low. Contour bunding entails construction of earthen dams across the slope of the land as closely as following the earthen dams. What are earthen dams? Suppose this is field. You create a dam like structure so that the water is stored this type. Earthen dam made of soil. So here it permits construction of earthen dams. You can write this point, important point. Graded bunded graded terraces or channel balconies are laid along the predetermined longitudinal incline near the contour, but not precisely along the shape. It is graded bunds are done in a predetermined longitude, but not precisely along the shape, so that the water keeps flowing in low velocity. The water is here. Our aim is not to retain, but to save disposal. That is why the water should be flowing slowly. The area is divided into strips by series of bunds, reducing the water runoff velocity. Here also we are reducing the water runoff velocity. These terraces act as drainage canals to control and conduct runoff and erosive velocity. So that the runoff is controlled and conducted at non-erosive velocity. As I have discussed earlier, we keep some obstacles there so that its velocity is reduced and the runoff is there but with less velocity. Okay, I hope you understand both the things. What contour bunding is and graded bunding is, and the main aim of contour bunding is to retain water, while the main aim of graded bunding is safe disposal of runoff water in of water at non-erosive velocity when the erosion is low and it is safely disposed. So that is all for today. Please do like, please do share, please do subscribe. Please watch my agriculture optional videos, which will be very helpful to you. And please watch these answer writing practice, both men's answer writing practice and agriculture optional answer writing practice. These both are helpful. And keep doing, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. It will give us motivation to make more such videos for you. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.